I always wondered why somebody doesn't do something about it. And then I realized I'm somebody. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review the recently released movie Skater Girl. Before moving further with the synopsis or anything about the movie, since they are our grassroots level problems and they exist and we cannot deny or brush them under the mat because sooner or later they are coming out. And in the recent pandemic, we have already witnessed very clearly about the quality of services or quality of rights that we are giving to the people who are living in rural areas. Sometimes they are sidelined, and most of the time it happens they lack basic rights. So the story is also similar like this. Instead of talking about the movie, I will give you the life lessons or analysis that I have got while working in some of the rural areas. I just went with my friends or always. And if you have watched a Panchayat on Amazon Prime, you could also get the idea that how the people in those areas, if they become leadership, they really wanted to have their monopoly. They wanted to be respected. They just wanted to be glorified for everything they do in the community, so that they will be praised by each and every individual. There are all elements in every society, not only there. So in this kind of rural setup, there are always leaders, those who wanted to gain credit for everything that good is happening, and every negative thing that is happening they wanted to disregard and say that, see, we told you earlier that this could happen. In this movie also it happens. There are some elements that will definitely you will observe that how they really don't wanted people to develop, because once they will develop, their respect or people wanted to bow down in front of them, that thing will vanish away. They don't want to let that thing happen. And if any kind of project that is about to start, they are the first one who will likely criticize, or they just wanted to remain in the limelight by playing their mind games or playing whatever the tactics they could do so that they can stop any development in that area, because they think that the people are not habitual of the change. So let that authentic system will work there. The best thing that we could do during this time is that I believe that if we will give them a great exposure to the social media, or not the social media means the internet, they will likely develop themselves, because they have to find a they have to be resourceful rather than finding resources from other world. Oh, because okay, we always expect that someone from outside will come and become a good Samaritan for us, whereas if someone trying to take that initiative from our own community, we will always criticize that person, degrade him, and never encourage him. So how can we morally boost that person and expect some change by criticizing that person? So the change always comes when we appreciate the simple steps. The movie is about a girl from a village, Prerna, and she has a younger brother also, parents, and there are many things that the director has shown in the movie. How real they are, we really need to witness it by ourselves. I have also witnessed it. There are girls, those who have no uniform, because the parents doesn't wanted the girl to study further, because they think sooner or later you will get married and become the wife of someone and you will live with your husband. Why we have to invest? The more they do is investment on the son, because they believe that this guy will bring a bride in our house, and definitely they are going to serve us. So there is a bargain in the system that still exists. We can say that okay, it is interdependency, but sometimes the hopes are very much high that we sideline the girls, and that happens. So Prerna is not being given a priority when it comes to education, whereas his brother is going to school, and the master ji in the school ask him that ask her why you are not coming, and then she has to murmur and doesn't give good answer. She said there was some work at home. But on the parallel, she is also selling peanuts also to bring bread and butter at the family. Though she is not successful, but a child who is ready, because the first 20 years of the human life are very important. That's why Singapore has worked very well on the human resources, or I don't know what the word they use, that investing on human beings for their development in the early phase. That's why it's important for our communities also to develop these people, because where the population is so high, we are not investing on the young generation. How can we expect that the future will be very bright, whereas the age of, what is that, the age gap between the working class and elders and all this, there are many things that comes up when it comes to economy. Remember, like in Europe, they are thinking the old people are too much and young people are not good. That's why they need migrants in every country. So it happens in our system also. Don't say that the people are not moving to the city for finding resources and jobs. If we give them everything in their own locality, they will flourish and they will work very well. There are many movies also, Swadis also, and all this that comes to my mind. So what happens? Now she is somehow trying to go to school also, and thus she has another problem, that her uniform is very short, because once she grows up, all the old uniforms are still there, so they are very short. His brother trying to play an innocent step by finding from some neighboring house, but it was not fit to her, and it was not the uniform at all. And thus, once she goes there, she has no book also, so she has to be punished, and she's sweeping the corridors of the school. But she is interested to know what is on the computer. If the good things are given at the early age, they will develop very well. Now people are teaching their children to Minecraft, being little bit like think beyond the world that you are living in, something like engineering and something like that. I believe that, and they are developing their children, whereas our people, we are into that conventional setup that we are not coming out of it. Even in the cities also, those who are like generation is a baby boomers or generation X and before also, if they have that mental level of that kind of setup, they don't want the coming generation Z or Alpha to do something different. They need your experience, they need your guidance, but with the passage of time, things have changed already. There comes a tourist, Jessica, and there is another teacher who is teaching there as well. So she somehow met this girl, and thus she started to explore how their life is. She came to that particular village for the link that she had with the family over there and everything, so that she had her own past. She wanted to find the house of their native parents or grandparents. Now she has all these kids, those who are very excited for skateboard, because the teacher had a skateboard and now they are, so she morally boosts them so that they will participate in this healthy activity. Instead of, we cannot create very big stadiums or anything, whatever very productive, very fruitful, and that helps them to maintain their like sports, better give them. There are plenty of stadiums you could see in international countries, or they just wanted people to represent the country. We wanted people to represent our country, but we don't want to give them what they really needed to develop. And then, yet we are waiting for the miracle to happen from somewhere abroad. And once it comes, like Jessica came, and now she wanted to do something. Red tapeism. That same office system is going over there. So she didn't disheartened, but she was morally supported by the local guy over there also. So he told her that you have to reach the upper administration. Somehow she found a place from a good lady. It's good to see her, Rahman, after a long time also. and thus she found that skating stadium or skating area that she wanted to make it. Why she has to make it? Because there was a teacher in the village who was not happy with the activity of these children. He wanted them to just stick to the books, no need to do all these things, just remain whatever you are. This kind of setup, and then he play mind games also, telling to the sarpanch also to ban skaters in the village. So it's a hardship that they have to face it, and then they have those politicians, those who are not interested to sponsor her. Now they know that she's in the news and headlines, and the elections are coming. Now he wanted to be the part of it. Before he rejected it. So first they will reject you, later they will tell you how you did it, and finally they will be the part of that one. It happened. And now her father, Prerna father, he is not happy with her. So he said that why you are doing this manly or boy things also. So that's patriarchy works everywhere. Wanted to impose whatever really he feels very comfortable at. And those who feel like this also, for their pride, ego, or everything, later they will be the one who will be feeling very happy and proud. Oh, this is my daughter. That happened in the movie. So in the end, what happens is there is a tournament going on and her marriage is arranged now. That's also very big issue in our society also. That they don't have a maturity, they don't have a understanding of the things, and they are suddenly arranged the marriage. So now she has to join the tournament, and how she will do it, what will happen in the end. You will really be amazed. Definitely we know the story very well. I know it, how it happens. But she make them feel proud that whatever I was doing it's for betterment of our locality, betterment of our family, to do something beyond the circle that we have drawn around us. Too much talking. Thank you so much for bearing me. So have a great weekend. Take care of your loved ones and be happy. Thank you so much, and bye bye.